Hi, my name is Dex, and today we'll be covering the final part of our recurring transaction module for our JMB and JMC. So in this final part of our series, we'll be looking at how we can actually delete a batch of invoices, as well as how we can actually create a debit note for late fee charges. Okay, so for the first part, the main reason why we will need a function such as batch delete will be in an event where invoices were wrongly generated. Alright, so to do this, where we need to go is here, sales. We go to reporting here, then here we come to sales document listing. Here we can select invoice listing, and then of course we can select what's the date range that we want to select, and here we press apply. So once we press apply, all the invoices that falls in this criteria will appear at the bottom here. To do a mass delete, all we just need to do is press delete. If you can see number 62, 63 and 64. So once you press delete, the system asks, do you want to delete? You say yes. Done. Okay, now you want to check back. All we just need to do is come back here, close, come to documents, come to invoices, and let's check 62, 63, 64. Let's check, refresh. See, it's no longer in your invoice listing anymore. Okay, so for the second part of our series, we'll be actually looking at how we can actually generate late interest fees for overdue documents. So before we even begin, we first need to set up what would be the interest per annum that you'll be charging for late fees. Come here to stock, maintain stock item. Here you can see there's one maintain item called overdue. Let's click edit. So here you can see here there's a reference price here. Whatever rate that you're going to charge, you actually will be putting the rate in the reference price. So let's say, for example, if you are charging 10% per annum, we'll put here at 0.1. If you charge 20% per annum, then put here 0.2. So for this example, we're actually going to keep it at 10% per annum, and you will times 0.1. Alright, so once you're done, we just press save. Alright, so now to calculate what's the late interest charges, we need to come here to customer, we need to come to reporting here, we need to come to print customer due document report. So from here we can say, okay, we want to charge interest as of 31st of October. We only want to charge interest on invoice. We do not want to charge on credit note and contra notes, and we do not want to charge on undue documents as well. So for this last part here, debit note, is usually for some JMB and JMCs who want to charge late interest on previous late interest charges. If you do not want to charge that, we will usually untick this as well. Alright, so from here you see the header here, late fees charges for October 2020. If you want to tag it to a particular project, you can actually tag it to another project as well. So once done, we just press apply. The system will generate all overdue interest that will be calculated. By doing that, we just press post debit note. S. Done. Alright, to see all your charges, we can come back to customer, come to document. Here you can see customer debit notes. You will see all this will be 31st October 2020. Right? So we can just double click into one of them. Double click. You can see this is late interest charges for your fire funds and of course maintenance fee. Alright. We hope you find this guide helpful. Do like and subscribe to get notified when we release new guides in the future.